Hello and welcome to this video on sorting data and basic calculations. Today we will be learning about the importance of context in data, sorting data alphabetically, finding the sum and average of data, and multiplying data. Context and meaning of data. Before we dive into sorting and manipulating data, it is important to understand the concept of context. Data values do not have any meaning unless we put them into context. For instance, the value 20 could mean 20 centimeters, 20 minutes, or even 20 cats, depending on the context. Without a context, the value 20 is meaningless. However, if we provide a context for our data, it becomes useful information. Sorting data. Now that we understand the importance of context, let's move on to sorting data. Sorting data is the process of arranging data in a specific order. We can sort data in ascending or descending order based on a specific criterion, such as alphabetical order or numerical value. Let's take the example of a list of 6 pupils in Catalyst Basic School. To sort the data, we need to decide whether we will sort according to their first names or surnames alphabetically. We can sort the data in either ascending or descending order. Basic calculations on data. Now, let's move on to basic calculations on data. We will be performing operations such as finding the sum, average, and multiplication of data. Finding the sum of data. To find the sum of data, we add the individual values of the data types provided. For example, let's say we need to find the total weather temperature from October to December. The data given is 19, 39, and 20. We add these values together to get 78. Therefore, the total weather temperature from October to December is 78 degrees Celsius. Similarly, we can find the total number of children born from January to December. The data given is 976, 895, 888, 878, 855, 786, 746, 469, 596, 579, 573, and 556. We add these values together to get 8,797. Hence, the total number of children born from January to December is 8,797. Finding the average of data. To find the average of data, we add the individual values of the data types provided and then divide by the number of data points. For example, to find the average number of children born from January to December, we add the individual values provided and divide by 12, the number of months in a year. The sum of the values is 7,338, and when divided by 12, we get an average of 733.08. Therefore, the average number of children born from January to December is 733.08. Multiplying data. Multiplying data involves performing mathematical operations on data values. Let's take the example of a weather forecaster who predicted that the weather temperature will double by a factor of 2 from October to December. To find the new weather temperature, we simply multiply the original temperature by 2. If the original temperature was 13 degrees Celsius, then the new temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius. In conclusion, sorting and manipulating data is an essential skill that is used in many fields, including business, finance, and science. Understanding the context of data is crucial in making informed decisions based on the information provided. Basic calculations such as finding the sum, average, and multiplication of data can provide valuable insights into trends and patterns. Thank you for watching this video on sorting data and basic calculations.